Hey everyone! Today, I'm diving into one of the most talked about topics of our time, artificial intelligence or AI. What is AI exactly? Well, at its core, AI is the simulation of human intelligence by machines. Think about it like this: machines that can think, learn, and adapt like we do. Now, AI isn't just one single technology. It's a collection of technologies that enable machines to sense, comprehend, act, and learn. This includes everything from simple algorithms to complex neural networks. Take Siri or Alexa, for example. These virtual assistants use natural language processing, a type of AI, to understand and respond to your voice commands. Pretty cool, right? But that's just the tip of the iceberg. AI can also be found in self-driving cars. These vehicles use sensors and advanced algorithms to navigate roads, avoid obstacles, and even make real-time decisions. It's like having a super smart co-pilot. But how do these systems get so smart? It all boils down to data. AI systems are trained on vast amounts of data, learning patterns and making predictions based on that information. The more data they have, the smarter they get. Now, you might be wondering, what's the big deal about AI? Why is it so important? Well, AI has the potential to revolutionize almost every industry. From healthcare, where AI can help diagnose diseases, to finance, where it can predict market trends, AI is transforming the way we live and work. But with great power comes great responsibility. There are ethical considerations to keep in mind. For instance, how do we ensure AI is used for good and not for harm? And how do we protect our privacy as AI systems become more integrated into our daily lives? These are questions that researchers and policymakers are grappling with right now. So, what does the future hold for AI? It's hard to say for sure, but one thing is certain: AI is here to stay. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect AI to become even more sophisticated and integrated into our lives. In conclusion, AI is a fascinating and rapidly developing field. It's changing the way we interact with technology and opening up new possibilities that once seemed like science fiction. Whether it's helping us navigate our daily lives or revolutionizing entire industries, AI is truly the future of technology. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech insights. See you next time.